What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a little bit of catch-up work. I have some unboxings to do, and right now I have my first Birchbox. I don't know if this was like the original mystery box, but I remember Birchbox from forever ago. So kind of exciting to like try this out and see what it's about. I got this one in quite a few weeks ago. I have not opened it. If you guys like my makeup look today, I did just film a self-love Valentine's Day look, a little pink and purple moment. You can check that out here. I have been playing around with makeup, so it may have changed a little bit, but the tutorial is right here if you want to see that. So let's see what's inside. And I'll have all the information for Birchbox listed down below. So far in all the beauty subscriptions I've tried, Ipsy is like hands down my favorite, but you never know. So welcome to Birchbox. We're delighted to have you. Okay, pick your beauty routine. So you do get to customize the Birchbox a little bit. I do believe it's a monthly box. I forget honestly how much the subscription was, so let's just get into it. First thing I see is this super smushed. It's like, oh my god, totally smashed. At least the product didn't leak. This is from Paradox Repair 3-in-1 Conditioning Mask. Okay, and I think if I remember correctly, I did choose every single product in this. Oh no. Well, that was a total waste. I just like opened it to smell it, and because it was smushed, it totally like exploded. Not so great, Birchbox. I don't love that. Okay, we're gonna lid her back up. Cool. All right, well, the smell is nice. It smells like clean and a little bit floral. Not my favorite type of smell for shampoo. It's like more like a white floral rather than like a rose type smell. Okay, next is the R&Co Centerpiece 10-in-1 Conditioning Spray. What is 10-in-1 about this? Okay, so from R&Co's site, it says this is a lightweight multitasking styling spray packed with rich oils to detangle, help fight frizz, and hydrate while repairing and fortifying hair. I don't know where they get the 10-in-1 from because they don't list 10 features of this product, so maybe it's just like a sales gimmick, but I'm definitely gonna try that out. I do love R&Co products, like their packaging, so cute. Their products are actually really good, and their smells just smell so salon. Oh wow, do I kind of match the packaging today? Okay, next is the Saturday Skin Rise and Shine Gentle Cleanser. I have one other product from Saturday Skin that I got in an Ipsy, and I do actually really like it. So cool, can't wait to try that out. I love cleansers, and I just love pink packaging, so cute. Okay, next is the Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. Okay. It looks a little dried out, but it's a clay mask, so I expect it would be that way. Definitely gonna try that. I love Kiehl's and I love a clay mask, so I'm sure that's gonna be a great product. And lastly in this little Birchbox is the True Botanicals Moisture Barrier Cream. Now I do have a True Botanicals product. It's like a lotion that I did purchase on my own, and they are higher end type products and like leaning towards more natural. The packaging is beautiful. It's a very heavy component, and it's a moisture lock barrier cream. Okay, it does smell like a natural type product. This one is a little bit sweet. It smells almost like a sweet rose, kind of like old rose petals. I know that sounds gross, but that's what it smells like, is like a sweet rosy type smell. Very, very sweet. So that is what was in my first Birchbox. Overall, I think it was pretty good. I did get to choose all of the products, so I'm curious to see what next month unfolds. And if you like these videos, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.